It's very tender. It feels like we pulling a string from nothing. And sometimes I just be like, oh, I hate this part. Welcome back to Brown and Confident. My name is Rachel and welcome to my couch. If you missed my last video, after this video, make sure you go over there and to watch that video, okay? If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss any videos that I post, and hit that notification bell. If you like lifestyle content, hair, nails, all things fashion, go ahead and hit that button, okay? We waiting on you. And also, I have started a raffle giveaway. So I will be saying one color in this video. Watch the whole video. Make sure you send me an email at contact@brownandconfident.com, either in the subject or the body. Make sure you go ahead and put that color in there. And we got something nice for you. We have 5 topics, and I'm even going to throw in a bonus one. So make sure you go ahead and stay to the end. Number 1, the first reason why I don't like sister locks is because the way they snag on my nails. Even with the full set, as your nails grow out, my hair just gets snagged on my nails and I hate it. An annoying feeling, and I never thought I would have to keep my nails done in a way that I didn't want to. Okay. Number 2, it's the white bulbs on my edge line that you probably don't see that bothers me so much, okay? And from all the research that I've done, this means that those are shedded hairs. So the shedded hairs that would normally fall out of your hair, they stay in locks, so that's what that would be. You cannot see them on camera or in photos, thank God. White bulbs are completely normal and healthy. The white bulbs are the hairs that come out the scalp and they're not breakage. A lot of people that I've watched have dyed their locks. They'll dye them black. But I'm just not at that stage to where I want to dye my hair. So unless you're doing my chin wax or you're all up on my hair, you will not see those white bulbs. Number 3, the retie. Orange really gets to me because I love going to get a retie. I love a fresh retie. I love how I look. I love the fresh grid look. When we get to the crown of my head and the front of my hair where I have the lower density, it hurts. And nobody told me that a retie was going to hurt so bad. I find myself trying to take some medicine before I go get a retie just because when it gets to that section, I ain't for it. I'm not for editing. I'm not for working. I don't even want to take somebody's back, okay? That's how much it's uncomfortable for me. It doesn't last long. It's very tender. It feels like we pulling a string from nothing. And sometimes I just be like, oh, I hate this part. We get through it. We get through it, girl, and we get a fresh retie and we look done up and we love it. But that is something that I definitely hate. Number 4, I hate how dry my hair feels and looks sometimes. Now, I knew getting locks, my hair would mat up and dry up. However, I don't think I was prepared for that. I don't like my hair feeling dry. So that is definitely a con for me. 5, having to wait to dye your hair and not being able to get extensions in your sister locks. And I grouped those together because they're both a no. If you talk to your consultant and these are the things you ask, they're both a hard no. Wanting to dye your hair right before you get sister locks, nobody's going to want to deal with you. Nobody's going to want you to sit in a chair. They're going to tell you to go ahead and do it and wait 6 weeks and then hit them up. You are not able to dye your hair right before sister locks. I guess it makes your hair prone to a lot of slippage, and also adding extensions to my hair. I really wanted my hair to be full like the girlies that be on Pinterest, and so I thought about adding hair to my locks. However, that would have been micro locks and you would have had to pay for the human hair. That was a con for me. That was a big con for me. I would have loved to dye my hair and add some hair in, but everything worked out. Everything worked out. And for my bonus con, how much attention your locks bring. everybody's gonna look at you. Everybody's gonna wonder what it is. Is it sister locks or micro locks? Is it twisties, kinky twists? Everybody's gonna want to know what it is. Everybody's gonna stare. Everybody's gonna stop. Everybody's gonna talk to you. It's definitely a conversation starter. A lot of people come up to me and it's always about my hair. It's never really about anything else. It's about my hair. Get Sister Locks, you're definitely asking for attention without asking for attention. But sometimes when you're just trying to get in and get out of something, like a Chipotle line, I'm paying and you right behind me and you asking me 50 questions. I'm just trying to go home and eat. Sometimes it can get in the way of your routine. Comment below which one resonates with you, or comment below if you have any cons that you want to share with everyone else. But remember, stay confident. Thank you so much for coming back to another video. Again, my name is Rachel, and if God's willing, I'll see you back in the next video. Go ahead and drop down below. Let's talk. See you in the next video. Bye.